The D-Day has finally come. I know you will be all rushing to the examination center, and this is just 2 minutes I'll take of yours to wish you that best of luck, which we have taken care of for the whole year. Just your 2 minutes, your precious time, I'm taking. Please note, students, that you have to think positive. This is nothing new, I'm telling you. I know you must be wondering, oh, ma'am, you've again started. No, no, this is not a lecture dose. This is something very important, that you believe in yourself. You have that thing, that paper is all yours. Visualize the things in your mind. You are in one of the best NLUs, and this visualization will keep you active during your paper. Don't forget that you have to write the paper, and only you can write this paper, because how many passages you've done? 1,000+ passages. Who else will write it if not you? It's very important that you keep in mind this 3 mantras. I can do it. I can do it. Yes, I can do it. I can and I will. If this tension is kept aside, the doses we have given to you, this faith in yourself, that passion and zest and zeal and energy and enthusiasm is not forgotten, the paper will be all yours. You know, our mind visualizes things, and what you visualize is what you see. If you take this positive energy in you, okay, I'll be surely doing the paper. Ma'am has told me I will excel in English. I will get this mark in CRs. Oh, I will do that in GK. QT, legal, nothing is beyond me. This thing is to be kept at the back of your mind. Don't forget, students, we are with you. Your parents, your teachers, the whole team of LPT is there. The whole hard work, perseverance is the key to success, cannot go waste at any cost, right? So don't forget that you can do it. This is something which is the best wishes from the teacher concerned, who wants you to be confident. And do not forget this, that your strong positive attitude is only going to lead you to success. In the examination, this is what is going to be tested, and this is what you have to also show in the examination. And the last but not the least, that's the best luck. Don't forget, युद्ध जीते नहीं जाते हैं ताकत से, युद्ध जीते जाते हैं दिमाग से, चाणक्य नीति से, strategy से. Yes, to strive, to seek, to find, and not to yield. Yes, do not give up till the last breath. Yes, my students, ताकत से नहीं, दिमाग से जीत के आना, CLAT का युद्ध. All the best of luck.